Hello mga Katibu Fam! So for today's vlog, we will be sharing with you our day 1 experience at Tokyo, Japan. And at the end of the video, we will be giving you our review of their room, amenities, and food. So watch till the end, guys! This is our first time pala going to Tokyo, Japan, kaya ayan, sobrang excited ang Tipu Fam today. Ang schedule pala ng flight namin going to Tokyo guys is 4:35 AM, pero yan, mga 12 AM pa lang nagpunta na kami dito sa airport. Alam niyo naman kasi dito sa NAIA guys, baka matagalan kami sa mga pila, kaya yan, maaga dumating ang Tipu Fam. For out of the country travel guys, magbabayad kayo dito ng travel tax, 1,620 for adults and around 810 for kids. Guys, kwento ko lang, requirement pala pag pupunta kayo ng Japan is yung visa. Kakatuwa lang guys kasi nag-apply kami sa Atik Tour sa may MOA, nabigyan kami ng 10-year multiple visa. Hindi ko alam guys ang dahilan bakit kami nabigyan ng multiple visa. Tingin ko dahil doon sa naginawa kong cover letter na sabi ko vlogger kaming family. Where are we going, Daddy? Excited? Ayan, boarding na. Ginising ko na rin yung family ko kasi sobrang excited na yung mga yan. For this flight pala, AirAsia pa din tayo. Ito kasi talaga ang trusted ko na airlines. Lagi talaga kasi itong on time umalis. Medyo malayo rin pala ang Japan guys from the Philippines. It would take you 5 hours.
Landed at Narita International Airport.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Tokyo. Medyo bugnot pa yung mga anak ko kasi kakagising lang. Tip pala guys, before kayo pumunta ng Tokyo, bili na kayo ng mga eSIM. Around 150 pesos lang yun for 5 days. Dito guys, bumili kami ng SIM card around 3 to 5,000. Hindi ko na maalala pero sobrang mahal at ang layo talaga ng presyo. Guys, kwento ko na lang, hindi ko na kasi na-videohan. May nasakyan kaming train, nagkamali kami ng sakay. Yung 2 hours na biyahe namin, naging 4 hours. Non-stop kasi yung train guys, nilagpasan dapat yung mga stopover namin. Ang worst pa dun guys is wala kaming ticket, kaya yun, nakatayo kami dun sa bandang likod for 4 hours. Pero fault ko talaga yun guys kasi hindi ako nag-research before kami pumunta dito. Sabi ko basa-basa lang tayo ron, malalaman natin yung daan. After 4 hours ng aming biyahe, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Nishikasai. Sobrang excited na ako and also yung mga family ko para makapag-settle down na kami dun sa aming hotel. Guys, ang binuko palang hotel is yung Rembrandt style Tokyo Nishikasai. Kakatawa dito sa lugar na to guys, sobrang simple lang and sobrang homey yung feel. Ito talaga yung gusto kong feel pag nagta-travel kami guys, yung hindi stressful. I booked this hotel pala guys through Agoda. Ang kakatawa sa hotel na to guys, kuha ka lang ng kuha ng toiletries dito sa kanilang lobby. Meron din siya ditong breakfast buffet guys if you want to avail. Mura lang siya guys, around 700 pesos. Pero kami guys, one time lang namin in-avail to kasi mas prefer ko na bumili na doon sa kanilang mga convenience store. Just outside of this hotel kasi guys, I think there's 3 convenience store na pwede nyo pagbilihan.
First, we have here my roti sauce. And we're not watching the TV because it's Japanese edition. We don't know Japanese. It's actually from the and here's the coffee area. We put some snacks with it because me and my dad woke up the morning so early because I always woke up earlier than Daddy. I wake up earlier than you. And then I wait for you opening your eyes. And this is the fridge. This ice cream are red because my dad bought it. Nice. And the view. You know, it's actually nice, so that's why it's dark. We didn't ride the car because this is not our country. We can ride the airplane. We almost died. And this is what is this?
Air purifier.
This is air purifier. And this is a beautiful bed.
It's so comfy.
And I'm gonna jump on it. Just
It's so
kidding.
comfy, but it only has 3 pillows.
Yeah, it only has 3 pillows for 3 people. We have a cabinet and Daddy,
That's
can
it.
you
It's okay na.
put...
No need to put.
Okay, let's go on to the bathroom. Here's a beautiful bath. We stayed here for 3 days, then for 4 days. This is the thing because it has this because the water been there. The water splashed around you. And I think about that. And I didn't sit down like this, like shower now. Anyways,
We have an automatic toilet.
yeah, they do.
Yeah.
And it has this bottle. And kids can touch it. Bye, guys. And I will see you in the morning.
Guys, what I love most about this hotel is 5 minutes walk away lang kami from the train station. And also just outside of our hotel, merong malaking supermarket. Diyan kami bumibili lagi ni Danny ng breakfast. After mag-settle down, ayan, ready na ang Tibu Fam to explore Tokyo. Ang first stop natin today guys is Shibuya. Guys, one of the main attraction dito sa Shibuya is yung shrine ni Hachiko. Pero nung nagpunta kami guys, ginagawa pa siya. Kaya yan, nag-video and picture na lang muna ang Tibu Fam. Ang dami naman magandang lugar dito sa Shibuya guys na pwede nyo pag-picturean. Kakatawa lang din dito guys kung marami kayong budget, ang daming pwedeng pag-shoppingan and also kainan. Kami guys, medyo ginutom na dito. Kaya sabi ko sa wife ko, kain tayo sa ramen. Guys, yung price range pa ng ramen dito is around 350 up to 800 pesos. Medyo mas pricey lang talaga dito sa Shibuya guys compared dun sa Nishikasai. Sa Nishikasai kasi guys, yung kinainan namin ng ramen house doon around 200 pesos. Sobrang sarap na. Meron rin palang Don Quijote dito sa mahilig mag-shopping dyan. Pero pinasok namin yan guys sobrang dami ng tao. Feeling ko nasa Divisoria ako. Kaya yun, lumabas na lang kami. Sabi ko sa wife ko, sa Pilipinas yan tayo mamili. Siyempre, dahil meron tayong mga kasamang kids, ayan, naghanap kami ng pwedeng activity for today. Nahanap namin itong pig cafe na ito. Kakatuwa lang guys kasi feel at home dito si Daphne. Guys, recommended ko itong activity ito pag may mga kasama kayong kids. Medyo nakakatakot yung mga pigs na yan, pero yan, kitang-kita nyo naman, sobrang saya ng mga kids ko. Ako naman sa parents, sobrang happy ko din. Alam nyo naman kasi tayo guys, basta happy yung mga kids, mas happy tayo. Guys, yung price pala pag pumunta kayo dito is around 600 per head. Meron lang kasamang drink yon. Medyo mahal siya for the price guys. Pero syempre, dahil may mga kids kayo, dapat nyo puntahan to. Alam nyo naman guys priceless talaga yung happiness ng mga kids natin. Guys, munti ko pa malimot. Last tip pala, pag pupunta kayo ng Japan, ay suggest punta kayo dito first or second week of June. Yung feeling kasi dito guys is parang nasa Baguio ka lang. Hindi mainit and hindi rin ganun kalamig. So guys, our verdict, I'm going to rate this experience at 8 out of 10 stars. Sobra talaga nang enjoy namin yung paglalakad-lakad lang dito sa Shibuya. And also, plus pa na napuntahan namin yung Pig Cafe. Sobrang nag-enjoy yung dalawang chikiting ko. Sa hotel naman guys, 4 out of 5 ang rating ko doon. Sobrang affordable doon and sobrang accessible sa lahat ng lugar. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye!